I am, but I can't like wait. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because maybe we can go to some bar or something also, or like sit down a little bit
Okay.
if you want to.
Mm-hmm.
It's quite hot here actually.
Yeah, it is. It's about, I think it was 25 degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25 degrees. It's hot. What was the highest temperature you had here? Maybe 30 degrees?
I think it was 35.
35? Oh gosh.
This summer.
Wow. That's a lot.
Yeah, it was quite impossible.
Yeah. My
I think it's quite normal for you.
35 is a lot actually for me as well. It's a lot. I mean, 30 is the maximum. I mean, higher than 30, I don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah, but normally in Sao Paulo, the temperature is between, the average is 25.
Okay.
And during the summer, sometimes it goes up to 35. But I hate it. I don't like 35.
Yeah.
It's horrible to walk and to work. Right now in Brazil, in Sao Paulo, my father just told me this morning that it's very cold. It's about 14 degrees.
Oh, that's okay.
Colder than here.
I mean, it's okay, I suppose. It's not bad, but it could be better.
I see. And like Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, which country do you think pay the most?
Estonia.
Estonia.
I mean, the more north you go, the better it is. So Lithuania is the worst.
I see.
Then Latvia, and then Estonia, and then Finland, and
Uh-huh.
Sweden, and Norway.
This is a very nice place we have here. It's like igloos, and we can rent these houses, like these igloos. We can sleep here. There are bathrooms here, and some of them are saunas. So I think there we have some saunas, and wow, it's really cool. It's really beautiful by the sea, and it's very calm. Wow, nice. It's different. I've never seen something like this. It's cool.
Actually, it's not very well maintained.
Uh-huh. Here looks like the paradise. Looks like I'm dead and I'm in heaven. I always say that to people.
Well, I told you they sacrificed one people and the pyramids.
Yeah. For that reason.
Let's go this way.
Mm-hmm. Electricity, so it is great for nature.
I don't think it really matters the difference.
Uh-huh.
I mean, okay, but you produce the electricity somewhere else.
Yeah.
So you don't produce it here, so it is cleaner here, but somewhere else it's...
Yeah. Yeah.
Produced instead.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
So I find it quite... I mean, those climate activists who say that they're so green and care about the planet and everything, they don't care because they just produce this shit somewhere else.
Yeah.
And then when the shit gets old, then they send it somewhere so it can be like rot somewhere else.
Yeah, you're
so
right.
Waste your local home.
Yeah,
and
you're right.
Say, yeah, we care.
Yeah, it's true. This is a Estonian supermarket.
Yeah.
Rimi.
Yeah, I think the same one you went to.
Yeah, I think it was. Rimi.
Okay, let's cross here.
Let's cross. Yeah, this supermarket is really nice. I really like it. It has a lot of nice things.
Okay.
Depot.
Yeah. So this is Delhi Square. We have some street food here.
Uh-huh.
In the night there is lots of partying going on.
Ah, nice.
Lots of young people come here.
Delhi's TV.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was weird. Also, yes. It's not normal. This is not the same.
Yeah, it's weird. Maybe he's Brazilian. He practices some religion from Brazil, maybe.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh gosh. This is that place I told you.
Telescope, yes.
Oh yeah.
Maybe one, maybe three. Let's go here.